Alright, just want to run you through the little veggie patch I've got out the back here. Show you my chooks and some of the veggies I'm growing. So what we've had to do out here is build a fortress style enclosure because we've got foxes, deer, kangaroos, rabbits. You can see here I've used the tent fencing, had to put chicken wire down the bottom because Mr. Fox pulled the last batch of chooks out through the 50mm by 150mm gaps. Here we've got a couple of bags of potatoes. These were gifted to me. I've never grown taters before, so we've got two different varieties. They'll be ready early summer, probably around Christmas time, I'm told. I'll take you into the veggie patch. So here we're got a bunch of winter vegetables. Down this lane you can see you got some broccoli. Beautiful broccoli coming up there. Broccoli. We've got silver beet. I'm trying the perpetual harvesting. I'll keep these in until I need to pull them out. I don't know what the purple stuff is. Kale, more broccoli, kale, different kale. So I'm going to turn into a vegetarian that eats meat. Over here, cauliflower. There's a lot of foliage there, so the chooks are going to love that. At least I think it's cauliflower. The girls certainly love to have a nibble. Here you go, ladies. Have a nibble on the greenery. Got more cauliflower than I'll probably ever eat. The bok choy has been a real hit. Here's one that I harvested only about 3 weeks ago, and you can see how well it's grown back. So I'll be eating bok choy tonight. What I'll be trying to do, we're coming into seed here. I'm going to let one or two of them seed, see if I can harvest the seeds and propagate them. Got some beans up the back there that are climbing up. Chooks are keeping them in line. What I'm going to do is show you, I've got the wheelie bin in there. I'll show you what I'm going to do with that in a minute. Alright, well we've got about an eighth of a wheelie bin full of chicken shit. I'm going to fill it with water, mix it up, that'll become the fertiliser to go on the veggie patch. So I found a nice spot for it. Right here now I've got a water supply, got somewhere to store my chicken shit. I don't have to cart it away, and all I've done is just dip the watering can. I've now got, what are these, 105 litres. I've now got chicken shit soup to feed me veggies. Already harvested. Check out the size of the bok choy. So I don't know if the stuff at the supermarket is baby bok choy, but I think I'm growing daddy bok choy. Certainly tasty. It's the first one I've pulled out of the ground. I'll let you know how it goes. I don't want to cover that in chicken shit. Let's see if we can't block up. Yeah, it has. It's blocked it up straight away. Should be right. Alright, we'll figure our way through that one. Thanks for watching.